I should start calling this the corruption report. What is going on with Hillary and the corruption being revealed in Washington is so huge that I doubt that it is possible to emphasize enough the seriousness of this situation. I believe that these revelations will eventually take down the Republic and replace the current government with one ruled by the generals, and please do not discount this. Remember what John Adams said about democracies. They always commit suicide. And that is what America is doing. The first article in our tawdry list of foul evidence is this one that I saw on Zero Hedge. DOJ and Clinton lawyers struck secret deal to block FBI access to the Clinton Foundation emails. Struck. The evidence of Clinton corruption is so vile and so compelling that it amazes me that no one is shocked by this. This is completely treasonous. That foul woman and her filthy husband need to be in jail for the rest of their lives. But nothing will happen to them, and they will get to keep all the corrupt and illegal money that they received. That, my friends, is America. Then we have some news about Democrat Kamala Harris, who is running for president. This article is titled, "As a Prosecutor, Harris Declined to Probe Herbalife." So, old Kamala had a cozy relationship with Herbalife and decided not to investigate them when there were obvious grounds for doing so. Oh, she would make a perfect president. Then there's the Pentagon. Zero Hedge had an article titled, "Bombshell Report, Pentagon Mismanaged $2.1 billion in F-35 stealth jet parts." Mismanaged? No, the word is stolen. It's theft. And that's what they know about, just one part of this corrupt program. Oh, and then there's this one, which was kind of humorous in a way. Senators stunned by Air Force plan for more Boeing F-15X fighters and F-35 cuts. Oops. Someone in the military was smart enough to realize that they were being lied to and stolen blind, so they chose a different strategy, one that's a little more cost-conscious. It's not enough, but it's something. Then we have this one. Sitting ambassadors participated in plot to take Trump down. Meadows from Zero Hedge. Seriously, wow. Of course, the Department of State has always had a cozy relationship with the CIA. After all, they helped create the CIA. Very interesting and vile. Really vile. And to top off our vile segment on corruption, we have something from the UK. UK denies asylum to Christian convert from Iran because Christianity is not peaceful, from Zero Hedge. Even more proof in the corruption of the British government. This is a legitimate asylum request. This man will face death should he be forced to return to Iran. But the dirtbag who attempted to reject his asylum request hates Christianity so much that he went to great lengths to criticize Christianity as a violent religion, which it is most assuredly not.